How are you? What's your name?
I am fine. My name is Muhammad Akbar Azam.
Okay, and where you're from?
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
Yes. I'm very from.
Okay, I'm from Bihar and I'm presently live in Begusarai. Tell me about
Oh my God.
tell me about yourself. Something little bit introduction.
Yes. And I am also from Begusarai.
Oh my God.
My origin state is Bihar. Yes. But later down I settled in Delhi. Approx I have been living in Delhi 10 years.
Okay. Are you working?
Yes, I am working here.
Okay. That's nice.
Now tell me about that.
Yeah.
What is the particular you can say what is the particular area are you living in Begusarai?
Uh, my village name is Binodpur.
Dinajpur.
Yeah. Do you know Singhol? You don't know?
Lohia Nagar.
Yeah, Lohiya Lagar. Yes, this is my near.
Yes, I know Lohia.
Okay, wow. It's my near, like 2 kilometer distance from my house, Lohiya Nagar. So if you will come Begusarai, I will meet me.
Yes, 2 months before I have went there, but for only 2 days. There are some work, that's why I'm going there. But after that I returned.
Okay, what's your qualification?
I've completed my graduation, and at the time I am pursuing in MA Economics.
MA. You are pursuing MA, Master of Art.
MA Economics.
Okay, you are become a master teacher.
Yes.
Which subject do you
Not
favor?
teacher at the time I am.
What's your favorite subject?
Yes, it is economics and also English,
Okay,
including English.
English. Yeah, yeah. What do you think about in this present time English language?
Yes, yes.
What do you think about English language in this present time?
That is a crucial role if you are overcome your hesitation and you will gather the lots of knowledge about English, then it is crucial role in play in your upcoming days. We can say in the future.
Yes. How many hours learning in this day?
Yes, it is. Are you asking about myself?
Yes, yes. Question. How many hours study?
I am not a study log. I always try to speaking to anyone on video chatting.
Okay.
Because if you want to overcome your hesitation, that's why you should try to video conversation.
Yes, because video
And
calling.
I am not reading any grammatical, and because in the beginning of the learning, it is not important. If you are focused on your grammar mistake, I think it is impossible to become a very good
Bas.
speech person.
Yeah, I agree with you because practical is most important thing. You can learn language Urdu whenever you practice more important for any learning skills or language. So also agree with you.
Tell me what about your education level at the right time?
Yeah, I'm pursuing BBA.
From which university?
IMS Noida.
MS Noida.
Yeah, IMS College
Yes,
Noida
I know.
in New Delhi, sector 22.
Yes, sir. I have visited there also. Greater Noida?
Yes,
In the
yes.
Greater Noida, we can say.
You get to know that.
Yes. Padi Chowk. Do you hear about that?
Yes, but I never went.
Or never? But there are also one famous metro station is Botanical Garden. Definitely you know.
Yes. I yeah, I went Buddha Garden. I,
Oh yes, I know.
So Delhi is Delhi. There is the capital of India. There are lots of things here. There are many peoples living here, different countries, different peoples talking. Any
Yes, sir. You can't compare it to any state to Delhi.
yes, but in this time you
In my
are
opinion,
living in a home.
yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am living in my home, and with my also my brother is living with me,
Okay, okay,
and he is working in the construction. But I am I am studying right now, and I am also sometimes we can say occasionally I use working as a profession, side profession.
okay, okay, okay. What's your what type of work do you working? What type?
I have lots of experience in working. I have one thing is Amazon. I have working in Amazon Excel department, also scanner, and after I have worked in GTB hospital as a data entry operator, and also call center. We can
You have a different type of knowledge. You have yeah. You have so many
this is
experience.
a life.
Yeah.
This is a life to take a experience.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Oh, are you married or not?
No, no. At the right now, I am not married,
Okay.
but I don't know if when I will be settled, then I will be then.
You have you have any girlfriend?
At the right time, I have no any girlfriend.
Okay.
But
So
it is an interesting person.
yeah. My
You have you any girlfriend?
yes. I have two girlfriend. Only. Thank you. So yeah, I'm also learning English, and my English is very poor. I'm not speaking very fluently. So I'm trying to.
No,
How
but
can
you
I?
are if you no, it is good at right time. It is good. If you are speaking every day, you can practice because the practice makes man perfect.
Yes, yes. So I am do practice daily, 1 hour and half hour in daily practice and theoretical also. Th- Grammar is also important because they all know all the rules. Follow the speaking. Without rule,
Yes, grammar is important, but in the beginnings, it is not important.
yes.
If you are focused, we can say if you find out your mistake in the beginning of the learning,
Hmm.
it become your impossible to learn English. That's why you in the beginning you can't focus on your mistake. We can say.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
And tell me about one other person behind me, and
Okay.
he is also from Begusai. We can say Saidpur. Do you know?
Saidpur. Sahedpur.
Said,
Oh, I don't know where is Saidpur.
is Lalpur. Did you hear about Lalpur, Saidpur, Udargama?
हाँ Godargama. Yeah, I know Godargama. Yeah.
Is nearby. This is nearby place. Saidpur and Udargama and Lalpur.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I know
The person
Godargama.
is living. How long have you been in the stay your home?
3 months. I'm living in home.
Country.
Yeah, because all college,
After my
it's coronavirus is all college has stopped. So I'm sitting at home. I'm waiting for.
my brother also. He's doing B Pharma from NIMT University. Did you hear about that? NIMT University. He is also located in Greater Noida.
Okay, 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 okay.
And he also living in village and taking class as online.
Yes, this is this in this day it's all totally online, totally online. English spoken,
Yes.
institute, all college, all everything is online.
Yes, at the time college are used to taking as a for reading and we can say learning using online platform.
Yes.
Your class is hosted in on the Zoom meeting, Zoom app,
Yes,
or
yes,
some
Zoom,
other.
Zoom meeting. Yeah, it's very useful because
Yes, sir.
time is never come back, and don't waste our time any useless thing. So time never come back again. So something step by step, something learning is a good idea, I think. And my thought is always learning is very important for upcoming future. If you stop your learning, you can't nothing doing anything in this earth.
Yes. My sister also living in Pokhariya.
Pokhariya. Yes, yes, I know Pokhariya. It is very near, 5 kilometer distance from my home.
Yes, I went there. I went his home.
She is married in Pokhariya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
That is good.
And
Yeah.
yes, I will come back after because I will be decide in upcoming 1 month. I will decide I should go to the.
Yeah.
Tell me about something about me. My English.
English, yeah, your English is also too good, and you are learning something new and practicing more.
Yes,
So that
we
is
are
good
learner
because
and
all
I
the
think we are
people's doing anything like YouTube, any useless work doing always, but you are learning English, and you are your thing is learning something in better. So it's very good for communications skills. Yeah,
one question I have asked
yeah.
to you. Have you met the Kanaya Kumar annual?
Kanyakumari.
Kanaya Kumar, yes. Have you met
No, no,
ever?
no, no. No, I never meet Kanhaiya Kumar, but I know Kanhaiya Kumar. Yeah, he is political, politician. I don't
Yes,
like political because there is very distract mind, and I don't like. But but I want to become IAS officer, so there all things is very knowledgeable, learning things.
yes. What is your future goal?
Yes, I have three goals my life. First, I would become an IAS officer. After completed BBS, I am prepared for UPSC exam. I may start prepare. And second is I want to become a English speaker. So I want to become an English teacher because in this Begusarai there is no good English teacher, and there
Yes,
I went lots of institute, but there is no only paisa waste. There is no good education here. So if I have my very good command English language, so I am try. There are lots of people I can uh, provide my service. Is my
I
goal.
think you think that the find out the good teacher of English. It is impossible in Begusarai at the right now.
Yeah, yeah, it's very heavy price and no good teacher. I went lots of institute, but there is no good teacher.
But I know one teacher. In the,
Okay, what's your
he
name?
is he, I think he is living in near of Navodaya.
Okay,
He is a perfect English teacher. His speaking level is good. I have also took his video on YouTube and also his Facebook. We can say Facebook chat note.
but
His Facebook
there is a very
profile.
few teacher. Very good.
Yes, yes.
Very few 50 teachers in reality is good. All people's only one purpose for business, not learning new things and
Yes.
help anybody, poor people, any helpless people.
Okay. Now, if I want to ask you some more questions,
Yes.
can I pause?
Yes.
And question is, how can you describe the technology is becoming is doing crucial, we can say important role in our life in this days?
Sorry. Please repeat this question.
I am saying that the technology, how can you describe that it is important role play in our life in these days?
Yeah, it's technology very important for in these days because everything is technological. Like if you see some years ago, I have no bike. I need a bike. I am purchased, and it's very helpful to anyone. Also, the mobile. Some years ago, I have no any mobile, and technology become a I and you meet me and communications skill better, and how and both are learning new things, and also internet. If you don't know anything, you can search, and you are getting lots of knowledge. So technology is very important in these days. And you say you know Elon Musk. He is Tesla CEO. He's created,
Yes, yes,
yeah, he created Tesla, his electric car in this day. And he will also making a SpaceX reusable rocket. So technology is very important. And
yes.
is
You gave a great example.
yes, technology is everything. If you uh, don't know about technology, you can't know anything. Also, Elon Musk created some years ago email transfer money. Do you know? Email transfer money. It's very helpful for anyone. If you don't know what's your IFS code, account number, only you don't you know email, you send me any amount of, you send me anything. So technology is very important in this day.
You are saying right.
Yeah, it's my opinion.
A conclusion of the technology. Yes, sir. Your opinion is very good and you have given
Thank you.
and I am saying if the conclusion, if I want to
So
say,
your voice is coming little bit.
technology, yes, technology, are you, yes, technology makes our life easier and better and we can say manageable.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
But
Technology is part of our life in this day. Without technology, nothing.